Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It was requested that I do a skincare routine while using Retin A. So right now I'm going to do my night routine. I'm going to start off by saying that I do not use any washcloths. I use my hand, or if I want to exfoliate, I will use this little scrubby pad that I got off Amazon. I don't use washcloths because I feel like they hold bacteria, and bacteria will cause your face to break out. So I'm going to start off by washing my hands first. Also going to dampen my face. So for cleansers, I'm using the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. 2 pumps of that. Now I'm just going to rinse my face. I'm going to use a paper towel and pat my face dry. Now before applying your Retin A, you do want to allow your face to be completely dry. So after washing your face, you might want to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can be completely dry. So tonight, I'm going to be using the Tretinoin, the Retin A 0.05%. And I do have a few new breakouts or old marks. That's the only pimple I have right now. And that is it for my night routine. You're only supposed to use the Retin A at night, because if you use it during the day and you're out in the sun, no sunscreen on, it can potentially burn your skin and cause darker marks. So if you're interested in seeing my morning routine, keep watching. Good morning, Christina. I'm about to do my morning routine. Start off by dampening my face with water. Now for cleansers, I use the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. And I also use this little scrubby pad that I just got off of Amazon. I used to use this one, it's all dirty and stuff, but I feel like this holds a lot of buildup. As you can see, like my makeup on here and everything. And you know, if it holds buildup, it holds bacteria, i.e. more breakouts. Take it home. Now I usually use my hands, but when I wake up in the morning, sometimes I have skin that has peeled and I want to do a little exfoliating to get rid of it. And this works a little better in my hands. Okay. I'm going to take a paper towel and pat my face dry. Now again, I don't use washcloths because I feel like they hold bacteria. To moisturize my skin, I'm going to use this vitamin A cream. It's no brand. I actually got off of Etsy. If you want to know where to purchase it from, comment below. I'll leave the link for you. Just gonna take a little bit. Now this step is optional, or you can use any moisturizer that you like. I have extra dry skin, so that's why I have to use extra moisturizer. Then I'm going to use the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion. gonna take a now I do alternate between the CeraVe and I also use the Julep No Excuses. This one is a little more expensive, so this one will do just the job. A little lip jet balm. That is my morning routine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.